Welcome back to my channel. It's Woody, baby. Welcome back to my channel. They came in for me. Thank you, bitch. And today, y'all already know what it is. Snack crate, get your snack crate, get your... oh, it's a drink in here.
Oh, dang, you shaking it up, it might be a pop.
Okay, y'all, we upgraded. If you watched our last video, I think if I uploaded, I don't know. Because I've been slacking. I know I've been slacking, and I know y'all been missing this energy. Because my energy is so hype. My energy is so hype. Dust your shoulder blade. Dust your shoulder blade. Now roll with it. Now roll it. And I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go.
Go. I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Popcorn.
So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, let's say who we think it's from. You think it's Japan?
I hope it's Japan.
I'm gonna say Africa. 1, 2.
Come on,
Japan.
Japan.
Go.
Spain.
I'm not excited.
Spain? Oh, man, bro. Send me Japan, bro. That look like a carbonated drink you just shook up right there.
Okay. Show them our Spain. We got Spain, y'all.
Spain is Spain. Home of the... Oh, is that...
Home of the... Mama say, mama say, mama kusa. 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 I don't think they do that. Alright, tell me something about Spain, even though I don't give up. I don't give up.
Okay. Spain.
Okay.
Spain. The Kingdom of Spain is a country of rich history and culture located in Europe. Culture.
Like Migos.
Like culture.
We look rough here.
I
it's
keep
like
on
6 in the
thinking.
morning.
I know, right? I keep on thinking it just say snakes or like.
Just kidding.
I know,
like,
right?
whoever invented that, you a bitch. Nah, he said the best said.
Bitch!
Jesus Christ.
When I saw these,
What's that?
I instantly wanted to try them.
What he holding is called El Valle Jubio Frito. These uniquely flavored savory chips are uncanny resemblance to an actual fried egg.
Yeah, it say fried.
You might have just found the perfect breakfast substitute.
Fried egg taste chips.
I don't think an egg should be flavored. Like they made fried egg chips.
Egg flavor.
Come on. I love chips, so if they mess this up, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna smell that poop. That smell like my breath. Yep, my breath smells just like that. Damn, these some big ass chips.
I know, right? I want to know what egg gonna taste like in
Me
the
too.
chip.
Oh! That's a poop! That tastes like a boiled egg.
I swear, dude.
I kinda like it though.
Sound like a boy.
Got a little poot on it. I look. Oh. Oh.
Like they just deep fried the egg yolk or something.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I like them.
I would eat them. I mean, they're alright, but I'm gonna get that away.
I will say, they didn't lie.
Yeah, it done did taste like an egg though. On the straight off the skillet.
What he holding is called Galitas Concretas. Delicious biscuits made with crunchy cereal and bits of blueberries semi-coated in smooth white chocolate. Mmm.
Okay.
Biscuits ain't nothing but cookies in their language. They call cookies biscuits.
Oh, for real?
Yep. So they little blueberry cookies with
That's
white
what we
chocolate.
together. Or?
My bad, I ate before you.
I see. I ain't get a chance to eat the giant.
Hurry up, so I can say it. Them all busted. I like the softness.
All I need is a glass of milk.
Yeah, that blueberry.
All I need is a glass of milk. I'll be straight. Yeah, a glass of milk in them giant.
Dumb. Come on, gotta do it the same time. Done.
Glass of milk, I'll be straight. A little dry. They don't on the dry side, but
It's a little cookie
I
with
like it.
blueberry and white chocolate
Yeah,
on
I
it.
like it. I'm thirsty.
He ready to try the drink?
I'm thirsty now,
Okay, let's see what drink we
Dry
got.
my throat out.
Okay, this drink called Cas Naranja. Made with real fruit juice. This tangy, fizzy orange flavor soda adds a refreshing touch to any day or cocktail. So you put it in the drink.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
Well, let me put a little salt, a little pool on my tongue. Man.
Gay!
Let me put a little
Open your
poo-
mouth.
Oh, hell no.
Let me get a little poop too. Oh! This shit taste like you just pooed and I said,
You nasty.
damn!
No, I'm just thirsty. That shit nasty as hell.
For real?
Bruh.
Yeah. It's just carbonated. Like, it just tastes like water. Like, you know the flavor water? Or am I tripping? It tastes like flavor water.
Yeah. I hate acid drinks. You can have it.
Oh, my breath kicking right now. Boy, I got some of it. Got some of everything on it right now. A little poop,
Damn.
a little fake orange, some blueberry.
This is like,
Hey, boy, these.
come on. I promise y'all, these chips taste, they got it. But these chips taste just like poop.
Like a T-bone, boy.
This called Ruffles Jamon, a national favorite in Spain. These wavy potato chips feature the salty and savory flavor of the referred Spanish ham.
Y'all see that T-bone on there, man? Got a thick ass T-bone right there.
Bruh, come
Oh, my bad. I'm just showing the T-bone.
on. I'm a T.O. bone. I'm gonna sniff that jamon.
Might be fine.
Smell like barbecue.
Yeah, you might like them. Might be pretty good. That's a big ass chip. I don't run crushing. What was the flavor again?
Ham.
Ham?
You hear me?
No. Ham flavor?
Oh, dang, ham pork.
Yeah.
You stupid.
Yeah. I'm just over here like, it's just ham. Is it ham flavored? Do it got pork in it, or is it just ham flavored?
For y'all that don't know, we don't eat ham in this household. We don't eat pork at all.
Fuck no, baby.
We're gonna put these on the other side
Yeah, I
of the
ain't.
table.
I'm all going in the garbage. These bright red candies feature a crunchy, sugary outer layer of soft, gummy center bursting with cherry flavor.
Everything gotta burst.
I love cherry. I'm ready.
You got a chair?
Yeah, you know cherry
Sure.
my favorite.
Ain't gonna taste like medicine.
No, I hope not. Oh, it's pretty.
It's a little ball.
Yeah, look, gumdrop.
Gumdrop buttons.
It burst. Those ain't bad. But it got that strawberry gummy taste.
I don't know how I feel about it being like having a different texture when you eat it. It be chewy. Like, when I first bit it, it wasn't chewy. Like, it was like,
So you got it to the
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Need a little poop. Oh, we used to do that.
Yeah. I used to be in school. I used to be in school doing this shit. Get a
I don't
piece
know
of
what you
paper.
used to be in school do. I used to be in school like, I'm just playing kid.
I tell you, boy.
These hoes,
Look,
I mean,
these hoes.
these chips are called Exponents Electrico. Oh, hell, these hoes finna blow your mouth up. Exponents electrical. These little star-shaped crunchy corn snacks may be small, but they pack a spicy, cheesy flavor that is shockingly delicious. I don't know, man. These hoes, they keep saying shocky and spicy and...
For real? Damn, hard.
That is harder than I thought.
I'm just saying like some Cheeto puffs or something.
I mean, that is not
I
spicy.
swear they just taste like some Cheeto puffs.
That ain't spicy.
Mm-hmm.
They got the nerve to put spice on there.
I know, them just ain't even spicy. Like I probably feel a little.
I don't even get
You know.
lip. I feel the lip. I like my nails.
Booty in the can. Here we go with another bar.
He holding a Meliba Tehran Vienna. I don't know how they pronounce this. Layers of crunchy waffle sandwiched together with creamy nougats being dipped in a rich chocolate to make an unmistakable flavor.
This ain't nothing but chocolate wafers.
Yes.
That's all they had
With
to
a
say.
little nougat.
That's all.
I always wanted to taste nougat sauce. I ain't never tasted nougat.
A little nougat. Yeah, it's trying thick as a mug. Go ahead.
Alright.
It's gonna be nasty in the mug. That coffee bar we had. That coffee bar we had did. Yeah.
Well, it tastes like dark chocolate. It say rich chocolate. That shit taste like dark chocolate.
What is that?
A creamy nougat with waffles dipped in rich chocolate.
Am I tripping or do it? Is it just flat out nasty?
Yeah, it's sour.
Yeah, like it tasted like I was eating some grass or something when I first visited. Like, alright. Give me some Cheeto puffs.
Come on, we got one more thing left. Folks sent us an orange drink. Nigga, I could have went down the street and got an orange Fanta.
I know, right? It don't even taste like orange.
It don't.
It don't even taste
He didn't even believe me. He was like, what flavor is that? I'm like, orange. He like, orange. This nigga. What claims to be the longest candy belt thrown, this fruity roll-up will take your taste buds off the chart. Trip with intense sour flavor. It says it's intensely sour.
Ain't nothing intense.
I know, because they said this was spicy tingly.
I know. Them folks be lying.
They be capping.
boy.
Yeah, they be capping.
Talking about some sour. This stuff ain't even. I know it ain't sour because this shit wasn't even spicy.
Oh, I smell it though.
Well, I smell candy.
Yeah, not sour. I just smell it. Yeah, I smell that candy.
What the
hell was that?
Why
I gotta get that part?
Why I was like that?
That was gooey, like it melted a little bit right there. So.
You just flung sugar in one on me.
I'm sorry. This whole is not sour. I don't think no candy is sour. Can't nobody beat sour like Skittles. Skittles, sour Skittles, they don't play. Man, this is a fruit roll up with sugar on it. That good though.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's a fruit roll up.
That ain't that sour now. You had me some Skittles, like you said, some Skittles.
The Skittles to me that's the most sour candy ever.
And then they leave a little dust at the bottom of the package, but
go ahead, fuck around there.
man,
They're gonna shrivel up. We're gonna go. That's an inside joke. The day we get the pan, you better run up and down the hallway and back.
He laughed. I'm like,
Cause it's coming.
look at this. Nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Shit. Nasty. Why? Like, I swear the only thing up here good is these blueberry cookies, man. Muffins.
And this.
Oh, yeah, and that candy was good, too, though. I ain't gonna lie. It was pretty
I'm just
alright.
eating this. You want some more of this?
Nah, I'm straight. Oh, snap. I could have did a little better with there.
Yeah.
The last one we had,
Ukraine.
the last one we had was nasty as a mud, but this one had a couple good things in it.
Yeah, this was straight.
Uh-huh. Some more poop.
Yes. Thank y'all so much for watching this video.
Covered in sugar.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm started off right now because it got a little sour at the end.
It did?
Yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I know y'all watched us eat all these little nasty snacks. Tell me what y'all thought about this snack crate. Did y'all like Spain? Yes or no? Do y'all think they could have did better? Yes or no? Do you think I'm lame and I'm wet? Yes or no? Do you think, look at his dread. It's just hanging out.
Y'all were doing it online. That might be free. Good, bro.
Help me.
Nigga! If y'all stayed to the end of this video, thank y'all so much. I'm so sorry. It's early in the morning. He turned. These snacks just get me tired. I'm disappointed. Fine. As soon as we update our snack crate to get a drink, they send us orange.
Shit's bullshit.
Like, I just thought it was gonna be something exquisite. Like, they was really out there drinking something. These niggas out here drinking orange flavored water. And I'm thinking like $1 at Kroger.
It wasn't nothing good but the blueberry cookie.
Anyway, don't forget to go over and subscribe to my boy channel, yalll. Even though he ain't doing shit over there, go over there and subscribe to him.
Why you doing me like that?
It be funny because he be doing that at the bed and he be like this. He like, woo! It be so funny. Thank you to all my little babies. Stay tuned. I know I ain't been dropping the bangers back to
Get
back
on.
to back
Get
to
on.
back. I know I ain't been dropping, but I've been busy. So I'm finna start back dropping them bangers, y'all. I know y'all miss me. And one more thing. Subscribe, man.
Yeah, man.
Right now, man. I ain't playing, man. You think it's a game, don't you? Alright. I know you live it. I know where your mama stay. I don't know where your daddy stay. Cause you don't know where he stay. He told you he was coming and you was standing outside, he never came. Man, you depressed. They about to cancel me. They finna cancel me. Hey, we about to get up out of here. You got anything you want to say to the people? Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man.
I ain't get a chance to say that.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think the next video gonna be. Comment down below some ideas, some pranks that y'all want to see me do, because I do want to get from behind this table and just be smashing, even though I can't sit behind this table and smash all day. So without further ado, I guess I'll see y'all later.